Hello guys and welcome. This is an easy tutorial on how to use Zapier for automation. So stick with me until the end to learn how to use Zapier for automation. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to sign up for Zapier, create your first automation, and explore its most useful features. Step 1. Signing up for Zapier. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Zapier website at zapier.com. Once you're there, click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Microsoft account. Choose the option that suits you best and follow the prompts to create your account. After entering your details, you'll be asked to choose your role, whether you're an individual, part of a team, or working for a company. Next, specify your company size. Once you've filled this out, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Step 2. Understanding the dashboard. After signing up, you'll be taken to the Zapier dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your automations known as Zaps. On the left side, you'll see a navigation panel with options like Home, Zaps, Tables, and Interfaces. The Zaps tab is where you'll create and manage your automations, while the Tables tab shows you the history of all the actions performed by your Zaps. Step 3. Creating your first Zap. Now let's create your first Zap. Click on the Create Zap button on the dashboard. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can start building your automation. Step 4. Choosing a trigger interface. Every Zap starts with a trigger. This is the event that kicks off your automation. Click on the Choose a Trigger Interface box. A search bar will appear, allowing you to find the interface you want to use. For example, let's use Google Sheets as our trigger interface. Once you select Google Sheets, you'll see a list of available triggers. For this tutorial, let's choose New Spreadsheet Row. This means the Zap will be triggered whenever a new row is added to your specified Google Sheet. Step 5. Connecting your account. Next, you'll need to connect your Google account. Click on the Sign In to Google Sheets button and follow the prompt to grant Zapier access to your Google Sheets. After connecting your account, select the specific spreadsheet you want to use for this automation. Step 6. Setting up the trigger. Once you've selected your spreadsheet, click Continue. You'll then be asked to test the trigger to ensure it works. Zapier will pull in sample data from your sheet to make sure you have at least one row of data in it. Click Test Trigger, and once it finds your data, click Continue. Step 7. Choosing an action interface. Now that you've set up a trigger, it's time to choose an action interface. Click on the Choose an Action Interface box. For this example, let's use Gmail to send an email whenever a new row is added to your Google Sheet. Select Gmail from the list of interfaces and then choose the action you want to perform. Let's select Send Email. Step 8. Connecting your action interface. Next, you'll need to connect your Gmail account. Click on the Sign In to Gmail button and follow the prompts to grant access. After connecting your account, you'll need to set up the email details such as recipient's email address, subject, and body of the email. Step 9. Customizing your email. Now, customize the email you want to send. You can pull in data from your Google Sheets trigger like the content of the new row. Click on the body field and a menu will appear, allowing you to select data from the trigger. For example, you might want to include the name and email address from your sheet in the email body. After setting up your email, click Continue. Step 10. Testing your Zap. Once you've customized your action, it's time to test your Zap. Click on the Test and Continue button. Zapier will send a test email to the recipient you specified. Click your Gmail to see if the test email was sent successfully. If everything looks good, click Turn on Zap to activate your automations. Congratulations! You've just created your first Zap. Step 11. Exploring useful features. Now that you have a basic understanding of Zapier, let's explore some of its most useful features. Number 1. Multi-step Zaps. You can create more complex automations by adding multiple actions to a single Zap. After setting up your first action, click on the plus icon to add additional actions. Number 2. Filters. Use filters to ensure that actions only happen under certain conditions. For instance, you can set a filter to send emails only if a specific column in your Google Sheet meets certain criteria. Number 3. Formatter. This tool helps you format data before sending it to another interface. You can modify text, numbers, dates, and more, ensuring your data looks exactly how you want it. Number 4. Zap templates. If you're not sure where to start, Zapier offers pre-made templates that you can customize. Head to the Explore tab to find templates tailored to popular workflows. Number 5. Task history. Keep track of all actions performed by your Zaps in the Tables tab. This can help you troubleshoot issues if something isn't working as expected. And that's it. You've learned how to sign up for Zapier, create your first automation, and explore some of its most useful features. By using Zapier, you can save time and streamline your workflows by automating repetitive tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!